The wind and the sun were having an argument about who was stronger than the other. "I am the most powerful," said the wind. "No, I am the most powerful," said the sun. "I can blow trees to the ground," said the wind. "I can push ships across the ocean. I can make tornadoes." "Is that right?" replied the sun. Just then they saw a man walking along the road in his winter jacket. "Let's have a contest to see who is more powerful," said the wind. "He who can remove the man's jacket first will be the winner." The sun agreed. The wind started first. He blew a gust of cold wind at the man. The man kept shivering and zipped up his jacket. "Brr, what a cold and windy day!" It started raining. The wind blew even harder, turning the rain into a storm. "Well, look at that! There's a heavy storm!" The wind blew its strongest gust towards the man. But the man's jacket stayed on. He zipped the jacket higher, covering his nose. "Oh, this is impossible," said the wind. He stopped blowing. "My turn," said the sun. First, the sun shone just enough to stop the rain and storm. The man unzipped his jacket. Then the sun gently pulled the clouds apart and softly shone down on the man. Suddenly, it felt like a beautiful sunny day. "Wow, the weather is strange around here." The sun gently wiggled its fingers and increased the temperature. "What strange weather it is! Now it feels like a hot summer. Oh, it's so hot!" He removed his jacket and headed to a nearby tree. He rested for a while under the shade of the tallest tree. "I have made the man remove his jacket. I have won," said the sun. If you like this story, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories like this one. Thank you for staying with us. See you in the next story with new thoughts and new lessons. Until then, stay well and stay peaceful.